Hello. I know this tune is Don't Touch Your Face, a parody of Open Up Your Eyes from My Little Pony, the movie. Anyways, let's get started. It's time you learned a lesson. It's time that you understand. Don't be friends of anyone in this or any other land. Everyone's hopes for wellness to find a place among my kind. But those were the coining wishes. Someone who was lonely. Don't touch your face. See the world from where I stand. Be among the mighty. You're locked down at their command. Don't touch your face. Give up your sweet lockdown land. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, wash your hands. Oh, but don't touch your face. We all start on the same, but some we're touching trust. Shooting for not many ways. Life's not fair or just. But then there comes a virus, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place. And as you take the first step upon a path that's on your own, you will see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is being clean. Open up, don't touch your face. See the world from where I stand. Be among the mighty. You locked down at my command. Oh, don't touch your face and hold the touching light. It's time to go up and get wise. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. I'm so sorry you've been sickness. My friends abandoned me or times got tough. Looks like you're not the only one. Friendship did not fail me. I failed friendship. Well, y'all things Turkish, like, subscribe, turn this on, no one new here on DW Official YouTube channel, y'all. And don't forget to keep on Derek-ing. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and turn notifications to get, cause I'm really close to get to see very odd uncles. So watch it before anyone else does. Okay? Good. Bye.